Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm Kai.
I'm Dee.
So we're in day 3 here in Las Vegas.
Yes, and finally we got to get our photo taken right at the back over there.
Welcome to the Fabulous Las Vegas sign. It's
Yes.
another must-do here when you visit Las Vegas.
Yeah,
And in this video, apart from,
taking the photo there.
yeah, we will. What are we doing today?
We rented a car and we are going to be driving to Grand Canyon today and Hoover Dam.
Yes. And whatever else we find along the way.
Yes.
And like always, we will take you with us today here in Las Vegas.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Where are you heading with your Mustang?
Grand Canyon.
All right. No, she wasn't gonna leave me. She's just reversing the car. I'm gonna ride in our top down to the Grand Canyon, the west rim of the Grand Canyon, which is about
2 hours drive.
a bit, 2-hour drive from Las Vegas. It is the closest to the Grand Canyon we could get to from Las Vegas. Otherwise, you would have opted for, what do you call it, tours, which will take 10 hours. Which we didn't want to because we're hoping to do more things today. But here you go, we're off to the Grand Canyon.
Okay.
Alright guys, just heading to Hoover Dam now.
Yeah.
And there was a checkpoint. And what did they ask?
They asked if we had a gun inside.
A car. No, I guess it's an American thing.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, we're almost here in Hoover Dam.
Almost.
Okay guys, we're now parked here at Hoover Dam. It's pretty organized. They have a paid parking though. The other free parking is way up there and you have to walk down. Didn't make sense and want to save time, so we paid for car park anyway.
Yes.
So, what is the Hoover Dam?
It's a dam. It's got water.
Well, it is a dam. I did read a little bit. That flows through the Black Canyon and the border of Arizona and Nevada. And it was opened in 1936.
Wow.
Yes. I think it was named after a president named Hoover. And I will just take a video of this. Right guys, we're leaving the car park here in Hoover Dam. See you in a bit. just a quick stop for some fresh air. So we are here at the Grapevine Mesa Joshua Tree Forest.
Right.
If you're wondering what Joshua trees are, they look like cactusy things, but no, they're not cactus. They're apparently yuccas or yuccas, family of them, they're related. And we're just about to drive through the forest, the Joshua Tree Forest. And apparently these trees are native to the Mojave Desert in the southwest here in America. And in this pit stop, you can actually see or have a glimpse of the canyons, I think. Hey, all right. So how was the drive so far?
The drive has been very easy. Yeah, just straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
But yes.
But it's been a smooth drive from Las Vegas. Yeah, everything is well organized, well paced. A lot of deserts view.
That's all you can see.
Yeah, when we were planning this trip, I couldn't find a video that talks about self-driving from Las Vegas to the west rim of the Grand Canyon. So we're gonna try and keep giving you some snippets of what the road looks like and what to expect. Okay, well, we're gonna head off now to Grand Canyon and the west rim, which is half an hour away.
All right.
See
you then. Alright guys, we've just arrived at the Grand Canyon West. At the entry here, they're asking if you have any pets, drones,
weapons, alcohol.
Yeah, I think you're not allowed. There you go.
So we're just at the car park, walking to the ticket center because there is an entrance fee.
Yep.
And we'll show you what's in there because I think there's other packages that includes the skywalk. And also lunch meal at the same time. All right.
Okay guys, we are at our first stop here at Eagle Point.
Yeah.
So the Grand Canyon,
West rim of the Grand Canyon.
it is right there.
Beautiful. Bit windy.
Really windy. It's actually a bit cool.
Yeah. So in this stop, this is where the skywalk is.
Yeah.
Which we will go on to. Unfortunately, we don't think we can take videos there because you can't. But we can probably show you what it looks like.
Yep.
So we're walking through now to the skywalk. There it is. Show them.
Okay, so the skywalk, we've done it.
Yeah, it was quite interesting.
Yep.
Great views.
Yes.
But it was too windy.
Yeah, so we didn't opt in to get the photos.
Because our hair were like going like
Really
that.
bad. Look at my hair
yeah,
now. Oh my god.
it's quite a windy day here today, but we enjoyed the views. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Now we're here at the Skywalk Cafe to have a lunch.
Yes.
So we haven't had lunch yet.
Yes. All right.
Oh, hopefully we could get a seat by the table with me.
Hopefully.
All right, guys, the shuttle's here.
And we are off to Guano Point.
This is where you will see a 360-degree view of the Grand Canyon here in the West Rim.
Mhm.
It's gonna be amazing.
Oh, gonna be awesome.
Alright guys, that is the end of our trip here in the Grand Canyon West Rim.
Yep.
We hope you enjoyed the views we've shared with you, but now we're back and hopping off onto the shuttle on the way back to Las Vegas for our last activity for the day and for this vlog.
Okay.
Okay. Alright guys, we're back here in Las Vegas and we are
At the Venetian at the Grand Canal shop.
And for tonight's dinner, if last night we had Hell's Kitchen, we are going in and testing and trying out another celebrity chef.
Yes.
And who is this?
This is the cake boss guy. It's Buddy V.
Yes, so if you know Buddy V and you watch his show
Yes.
in cable TV, we're gonna go and check out his restaurant and see if it's any good.
All right.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we finished eating. We
Yeah.
couldn't really film inside because it was
Too
really noisy.
Yeah. So I had the pasta with shrimp, but they call it scampi here in the States. It's like those big shrimp, and it was alright. And he had
I had the chicken parma. Yes.
with a side of spaghetti.
That's right. That's right.
Overall, we felt that it was an average meal,
Yes.
and it's possible because we've been spoiled with Italian food in Melbourne.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you like the cake boss, you should give it a go anyway. And it was really rustic, classic food. Yeah. Anyway, it was good to experience that. Service was excellent, so can't
Yes.
complain. So what else could you add?
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, we will leave you a quick view of their cake shop.
Yeah, we're
Next
gonna
door.
show you Carla's Bakery, Cake Boss's Bakery, basically, and what's on offer. So we hope you enjoyed our vlog today, and if you do,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
see you in the next vlog.
See ya.